Now I tell about the nuclear reactor. It is the most important question in IP second year physics. Okay, na nuclear reactor. What is nuclear reactor? It is a device which convert nuclear energy into electrical energy. It is a device which convert nuclear energy into electrical energy. The nuclear reactor works based on the principle of control chain reaction. The nuclear reactor works based on the principle of control chain reaction. The nuclear reactor mainly consists of important parts. First one, fuel, moderators, control rods, protecting shielding, and coolant. Okay, first we have now discuss about the fuel. Fuel. A fissile material used in the reactor is called fuel. Okay, example 92 uranium 235 thorium plutonium. Okay, these are fissionable materials. Okay, a fissionable material used in the reactor is called fuel. Okay, moderators. Next, moderators. Moderators, what are moderators? Moderators are used to convert fast moving neutrons into slow moving neutrons, which convert fast moving neutrons to slow neutrons. Okay, example graphite and heavy water used in the moderators. Okay, controllers are used to observe excess neutrons and control the chain reaction. Controllers are used to observe excess neutrons and control the chain reaction. Cadmium boron are used to in the controllers. Okay na. Next, protective shielding. Protective shielding during the fission reaction, beta gamma radiation are emitted along with the neutrons. Okay, which are very dangerous to human life. So a protective shielding such as steel, lead, concrete walls are provided around the reactor. These are called protection shielding. Okay, next, coolant. What is coolant? Heat generated in the reactor, it is removed by coolant. Heat generated in the reactor removed by coolant. Example, cool water at high pressure. Cool water at high pressure, molten sodium are used in the coolant. Okay, next, asla working process. What is the working process? When uranium 92 uranium 235 undergoes fission reaction, fast moving neutrons are emitted. Okay, in this reaction fast moving neutrons are emitted. By using moderators, fast moving neutrons are converted into slow moving neutrons. Okay, using moderators, the fast moving neutrons into slow moving neutrons. Controllers are observe the excess neutrons and control the chain reaction. Okay na. Heat generated in the reactor, it is removed by coolant which produces steam. This steam is used to rotate the turbine which produces electrical energy. It is the nuclear reactor diagram. Okay, here this is fuel and moderators and controllers. This is protective shielding, coolant. This is coolant. Okay na. Here fuel, a fissile material used in the reactor. Okay, this is fuel. Moderators are used to convert fast moving neutrons into slow moving neutrons. Controllers observe excess neutron, control the chain reaction. Protecting shielding, beta gamma radiation, it is very dangerous to human life, so protective shielding around the reactor. Okay, coolant, water at high pressure and molten sodium are used in the coolant. Okay, this is the nuclear reactor diagram and working process. Okay, thank you.